Hello everyone, today let's discuss how to handle pop-ups in Playwright. Pop-ups are windows that suddenly appears in the foreground of the application while browsing or performing some action. This could be JavaScript dialog boxes, modal pop-ups, advertisement pop-ups or browser window pop-ups. Let's discuss how to handle different types of pop-up. So visit programsbus.com. Here in tutorial quality assurance, Playwright, expand all section, and here look for section handling dialog frames pop-ups alert windows and tabs. So if you will open this, how to handle alert in Playwright. So basically dialog boxes on a web page can be used to raise an alert. This we already discussed. So if you will open this dialog example link, here you will see different types of JavaScript pop-up like this. This is an alert box, and this confirmation pop-up, and this prompt where you enter some value. So if you want to handle this JavaScript pop-up, you can use this code and you can handle it using the dialog handler. Now in another example, we discussed how to handle multiple tabs in Playwright. In Playwright, we can handle multiple tabs, windows, or pages using page instance created using browser context. Basically, a page refers to a single tab or a pop-up window within a browser context. So here we use the page instance to handle multiple tabs. Basically, if you will scroll down at the bottom, when you will click on by iVegas Services Private Limited, it will open a new tab. So that you can handle using the page instance. So at the bottom of the article you will find the video as well, or you can also find it on the YouTube channel. So we have used dialog handler for JavaScript pop-ups and page instance to handle tabs or windows. Now this tab which open using target underscore blank, this one you can also handle using the pop-up event. Let's see one more example. Visit autoprec.com/selenium and then /popup. Here if you will click on open link in Popup, you will see this small window which is opening programsbus.com. So your advertisement pop-up are more like this. So this you can also handle using the page instance or using the pop-up event, both. And here if you will inspect, you can see here target equal to pop-up. So when target is equal to underscore blank or target is equal to pop-up, you can handle it using the pop-up event. Now using the code, we used for handle multiple tabs. Let's try to handle this pop-up. So copy this code to verify multiple tabs. And handle browser Windows pop-up. Copy this URL. So here you can see we are creating a new page instance. Inspect it. Find the locator for open link in pop-up. Copy it. So this open link in pop-up will trigger the pop-up. Paste it here. The action that will trigger the pop-up. Then we will wait for the pop-up to load, and after that print the title of the pop-up using new page instance and title of existing page. So with new page instance you will get the title of programs batch, which is programs batch - online technical courses, and with current page instance you will get pop-up testing. Let's execute it. So you can see it is waiting for new page, which will trigger after clicking on this link highlighted with red, and you can see new pop-up is opening for programs batch, and we got the title in the console. So we have handled browser pop-up using the page instance. We can also handle same browser pop-up using the pop-up event on the page instead of page instance created using a context instance. So earlier we were creating page instance using context. Now this time using pop-up event you do not need to create this page instance. So delete this line. Here use page instance. Give this name my pop-up. Now instead of wait for event page, wait for here pop-up event, and wait for your pop-up content to load. Now title of the pop-up we can print using the my pop-up dot title now, and title of existing page we can print using the page instance. So when a pop-up trigger on a same page, there is no need to create new page instance using context. You can also handle it using the pop-up event handler. So here instead of using context.wait for event, use page.wait for event, because this pop-up event is linked with page. Let's see if this is working. You can see pop-up is opening, and in console titles are printed. So you can handle this type of pop-ups using the page instance created using the context, or pop-up instance linked with page. So there are multiple ways of handling pop-ups associated with same page. So far we discussed JavaScript pop-up, tabs or windows, or advertisement pop-up. Now you will also see modal pop-ups. So if you will click on this jQuery pop-up modal, after 5 seconds it will open this pop-up. You can see the HTML of this. This is your regular div, and there is some content on it. To handle such pop-up, there is no need to create a new page instance or call pop-up event. You can directly handle it with a same page instance. So inspect this. This is A with class open button. Copy it. So first click on button. Now after clicking on this button, pop-up will appear after 5 seconds. Let's print the content of this pop-up using div.class popup-content. div.popup-content. Copy it. console.log page.locator text content. So you can see here I'm not creating any additional page instance or creating pop-up event here. We can directly handle it using the same page instance. Let's see if content is printed in console. So it highlighted the button, and now it's waiting for the pop-up to come. And here is our pop-up, and in the console you can see hello, this is sample pop-up. Content of pop-up is printed. So no additional thing you need to do here to handle such modal pop-ups. I know this might be confusing for you if you have not watched my previous video. So what I will do, I will add pop-up article soon explaining all the detail. Thank you for watching this video.